you want to see how I made this beautiful floral wall decor for under $15? Keep watching to see just how easy it was to create. Hi, my name's Maria, and I share tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. I do fashion lookbooks, helpful reviews, home decorating, and recipe videos. Make sure to subscribe if you want to be part of the Artsy Cupcake Crew. Today I'm participating in the Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door and Kristen from Kristen's Chaotic Life. The challenge is to find a home decor item and recreate a less expensive version. A bunch of other YouTubers are part of this challenge, so I will link the playlist below so that you can get more home decor inspiration there. I have been seeing a lot of these three-dimensional floral wall art pieces in home decor stores. Some of the flowers are created with paper or felt, and others are clay or paper mache, but today I'm wanting to keep it simple, so this DIY is created with artificial flowers. I love simple elegance, so I did a white on white color scheme for this floral decor art piece, but you can take the examples that I'm going to show you as inspiration or change the color scheme up however you want to match whatever fits your home decor. I saw so many varieties of this floral wall decor concept, so here are a few that inspired me and hopefully they'll inspire you too. The first example is from Pottery Barn and it's a three-dimensional succulent wall art. This is $269. It's made with artificial succulent flowers and it would also be pretty inexpensive to recreate. The next one is also succulent inspired, but it's using paper flowers. This one's from World Market and it goes for $130. This one would also be pretty inexpensive to recreate, but it would take more time and you might need a paper cutting machine to get all those intricate flowers. I saw another similar example, but much smaller. This one is white on white and it's made from paper also. It was on Etsy for $60. And then this one I found at Home Goods for $60 as well. The white on white really appealed to me, and I like how this one felt less structured and a little more organic. So I tried to work some of that into my creation. I love saving money and keeping it simple, so let me show you everything that you'll need so that you can create your very own floral wall art. I went to Dollar Tree to find these really pretty white and off-white flowers. I got 12 of them. The savings was really great because just a single white rose at Michael's or Hobby Lobby was $6. I got several shades of white and off-white because I wanted to do an ombre type effect and I just wanted to add some interest to the whole piece by using different colors. Michael's had these canvases for sale. They are 16 by 20 inches and came in a pack of 2 for $5. So the one canvas I used was only $2.50, which is a really good deal. I did look at Dollar Tree for canvases, but they only had really small ones. You will also need a good pair of scissors and a hot glue gun. And I recommend a hot glue gun that is way better than the dinky little one that I have here. The struggle got pretty real halfway in when my fingers were hurting from gluing so many flowers. And that's it. That's all you need to make this floral wall art, so let's get going into the tutorial. First, I removed all the flowers from the stems. I kept them color-coded as I went, so everything would already be organized for putting them on the canvas. Since you will want to have the flowers as close to the canvas as possible, you want to trim the stems from the bottom. Be careful not to trim too closely though, because then the flowers could come apart. Trimming the stem will also make the area at the bottom able to get more glue so it adheres better to the canvas. Next, I played around with the layout of the flowers before gluing them down. I mixed in some of the closed roses with the open roses to vary the height a little bit. And I put the larger roses at the bottom and then the smaller ones that would do the slow fade at the top. Once I had a good idea of where everything was going, it was time to start gluing. Don't be skimpy with the glue gun, really put a good amount down. When I got near the top, I wanted to do the flowers in a more organic fashion, so I tested what would look best before gluing them down. I have them scattered, but I did try to have some sort of system to where it would look balanced. And here is the finished product. I'm really happy with the way it came out, and I will be putting this in my guest room. I think it would also be so sweet in a little girl's room. It's just so elegant, and I love how it can be customized so that you can create one to match whatever colors that you have in your home. If you end up making your very own, make sure to tag me in Instagram so I could see your creation. I am trying to build a positive community here on Artsy Cupcake, so I would love to get to know you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing so I'll show up in your YouTube feed. I do new videos twice a week, so stay tuned for more fun here on Artsy Cupcake. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.